Hello everyone, today we're investigating Laera Cole, an online store you've probably seen in social media apps. With fake online stores costing Americans over $12 billion annually, let's break down the red flags to watch before you buy. Let's see if Laera Cole is legit or a scam. So first up, since specific verified information about Laera Cole is limited, let us teach you how to evaluate any unfamiliar online store. These red flags apply universally and will protect you from thousands of fake stores operating right now. First, check the domain age. Use tools like Whois Lookup or Scam Advisor as you can see here. If the website was created within the last 3 to 6 months, be extremely cautious. Legitimate stores build history over years, not weeks. Scammers create temporary sites, collect money, then disappear and rebrand. Second, investigate prices. If the products are 60 to 90% below retail value, it's almost always a scam. Real businesses can't sustain those margins. Fake stories lure you with impossible deals, then send cheap knockoffs from China or nothing at all. Third, verify contact information. Legitimate stores provide complete contact details, physical business addresses you can verify on Google Maps, working phone numbers that reach real people, responsive emails with domain matching addresses, and often live chat with actual humans. Fake stores hide hidden web forms only to provide Gmail addresses. Fourth, search for independent reviews. Don't trust reviews on the store's own website. Those are easily faked. Search the store name followed by scam or the store name followed by reviews on Google. Check Trustpilot, SiteJabber, Reddit, or social media for real customer experiences. If you find zero independent reviews, that's a massive red flag. Fifth, examine product photos. Use Google reverse image search on product pictures. If those exact images appear on AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, or other retailers, the store is dropshipping cheap items or using stolen photos. Legitimate stores have original photography or licensed images. 6. Check social media presence. Real businesses have active social media with real followers, genuine engagement, and history going back months or years. Fake stores either have no social presence or brand new accounts with fake followers and no authentic engagement. So, what happens when you buy from fake stores? Scenario 1, you receive nothing. Your order never ships, tracking doesn't work, and emails go unanswered. Scenario 2, you get cheap counterfeits made of terrible materials that don't match advertised photos at all. And scenario 3, you receive completely wrong items with zero recourse for returns or refunds. Meanwhile, your credit card information may be stolen and sold on the dark web or used for unauthorized charges. Many scam victims report fraudulent transactions appearing within days of purchasing from suspicious sites. The final verdict: for any online store you're unsure about, do your homework first. Check Scam Advisor trust scores, search for victim reports, and verify they're an established business with transparent information. For safe online shopping, stick to major retailers or stores with years of verified positive reviews. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.